How to create email account. Go to your Gmail application. Tap on the profile icon. Click Add an account. Click Google. Click Create account. For myself. Enter your name here. Enter your date of birth including your gender. Choose how you want your email address to appear. You can now create a strong password for your account. You can now see how you appear with your new email address. You have successfully created your new email address. Click on the icon and scroll down to see it. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more.